Happy New Year! This is our first day hike. It's our first hike of 2018 and we are gonna take off on the Mosaic Canyon Trail in Death Valley National Park. It's about a 2-mile trail with some dry falls and boulders to climb over, so we'll see what we can find and how far we get today. So the Mosaic Canyon Trail starts out in a wash. I guess the whole thing is truly a wash because the canyon was formed by flash floods. So we hear we're going to be headed into some narrows here pretty quick off the bat. So, map said there'd be a boulder jam. Oh, it's big. Find our way through it here in just a second. Okay, the map we got from the visitor said to crawl between the boulders on the left or east side of the jam. So we're gonna give it a shot. If I'm crawling, Matt may be slithering. That way. Okay. It's slick because it's marble.
Pulls up.
So the map said that there would be a 20-foot dry fall and that we were gonna have to go back and then up and over the top of it. So that will be interesting. We're gonna see what we can find our way here.
Let's go. Clearly the end of the road.
Yep. But look at the neat marbling. Right there is the top of the dry fall wall. And we have been following this trail along back there. And you can hear people down in the canyon.
I have a fork in the road.
So you can see the mosaic and the almost looks like concrete. And I guess they call this noonday dolomite from what I was reading about, and it certainly does look mosaic, like especially in the morning sunlight that we're getting right now. And another just really cool thing is as you go, it goes from this concrete stuff to this very smooth marble, and it's just beautiful, and you can see all of the strands running through it. It's gorgeous. And then you end up with falls just like that. Like Matt's gonna, I guess, demonstrate climbing up now, and I'm gonna follow to the best of my ability. And as you can tell, it's really, really slick.
Not that way.
Not that way, huh? Head up this direction, maybe? Great. Hey Matt, what'd you think of our hike today?
This is a different kind of hike. Most of the hikes that we go on, especially in Missouri and Illinois area, are hikes through the woods. There's not too much rock scrambling. Here in Mosaic Canyon and Death Valley, lots of rock scrambling on this hike. It's very different. It's a new kind of challenge, and it's a new kind of beauty. So check it out if you get a chance. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's a little far down. Go.
Down the rock slide.
Didn't know that they were that slick.
So, got brave for someone who's afraid of heights and walking out on top of the 20-foot dry fall. That's really cool. You can see down into the canyon.
On the way out of the canyon, I figured out that water slides were fun to slide down. So, thought I'd take you on a ride.
All right. I enjoyed that. There's Mosaic. And back to the sheer, smooth marble walls. I don't think I can slide down this one. I'm gonna sit. Oh, definitely right there. Look at that. So we're at the end of our Mosaic Canyon hike. We're gonna take an idea from Hike with Mike. He tracked all of his hiking miles for 2017. And so we're gonna start today with our miles for 2018.
So this hike here was 4.74 miles. Not too bad. I don't know if the rock scrambling made it longer or shorter, but whatever. So that's what we did today. We're gonna keep tracking it as we go throughout the year. And that's all we've got now. So until next time, this is Matt and Kay. Keep on trekking.